Hello guys, and welcome to another video. I'm pretty sure that you are facing one of the following issues. The digital time on your Casio isn't matching the analog time. As you can see, I have 10:31 and it is showing me here 3 and 4 minutes, and also maybe the date is not being displayed correctly. Maybe it is a little bit off-centered and you want to fix that. This is something that can appear due to magnetism or also after the battery replacement. So before setting the time, the date, the home city, you want to do this hand alignment, so to reset everything. And we are going to do that by pressing and holding the adjust button for 5 seconds. So if you pressed it only for 3 seconds, you are going to hear a beep and you are going to see here set. If you press it longer, you are going to see an H set, you are going to hear a double beep, and then the first thing that you are going to see on the digital display is going to be sub, so SUB, and that is going to refer to this sub dial right here. So let's do that, guys. So I'm going to press and hold for 5 seconds. The first beep, the H set and the double beep, and now I see the sub. As I mentioned, the sub refers to the sub dial right here, which is going to be for the day of the week. Now, when we set this, we want to set it at Sunday. So not the day of the week that you are currently in, but always facing perfectly at Sunday. So you can use the 2 buttons on the left in order to go to the left or to the right. You can do these micro adjustments, so to go one by one, or you can press and hold, and then you can press any of the 2 buttons in order to pause. So as you can see, you want the sub dial to be pointing perfectly at Sunday, just as you see right here. After we have done this step, we are going to press the mode button, and here the digital display is going to show us 00. So that is going to be midnight. So here what I want to do is to also align the watch hands of the analog time to be pointing perfectly at 12 o'clock. In case these 2 hands do not point perfectly at 12 o'clock, that is why you are facing this issue. So I can use the button on the right, so the button pusher, in order to go forward, or the light button in order to go backwards one by one. If you press and hold, you can see that the watch is going to do this speed scrolling, and it is going to stop once you press any of the other 2 buttons. As you can see to the right, it spins faster because that is clockwise, and you can press the other button or any of the 2 buttons in order to stop it. And then we are going to put it, so to align it perfectly at 12 o'clock. In case you go a little bit too far away, you can always use the other button in order to go in the opposite direction. As you can see now, the watch hands are perfectly aligned, so they're pointing perfectly at 12 o'clock. And once everything is done, all you want to do is to press the adjust button, and voila, at this point the date should be shown completely and correctly, and also the digital time should be matching the analog time. So as you can see, I have 10:36 on the digital time, and here we have 10 and 36. If you enjoy this type of content and would like to support the channel, you can either buy me a coffee or you can check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you for the support. Now, after you have done the hand alignment, you need to also set the time and date correctly. And we do that by pressing and holding the adjust button for only 3 seconds. We are going to hear a small beep. Then you want to first set the correct home city, especially if you plan on using the world time function. So you can go to the left or to the right, and you need to select the correct capital or city that corresponds to your time zone. As you can see here, we have London, Madrid, Paris, Rome. I am in Italy, and that is why I'm going to leave it at Rome. Now I'm going to press the mode button, and I'm going to go further. Here we have the DST function, so the daylight savings time. I'm going to leave it at off. Then I'm going to go and have the 24-hour display or the 12-hour display, so you can choose between the 2. I prefer the 24-hour display. If you prefer to see PM and AM, you can go with the 12-hour display. I'm going to always use the mode button in order to toggle to the next option. Here I can reset the seconds, then I can adjust the hours. Here you can also press and hold in order to use this speed scroll function, but you need to keep it pressed in order to keep on working. Then I'm going to go to the minutes. Also, you can press and hold the adjust button in order to adjust the minutes. So this is going to be very useful, and you can also go one by one. Let's make it 11:30. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. And here is something really important. If you select correctly the year, the month, the day of the month, then the day of the week is going to be calculated automatically by Casio and displayed right here. So I'm going to make it 2031. Then I'm going to press mode once again. Here I can select the month. So I'm going to make it January. Press it once again. I'm going to make it the 10th. Once again, you can always use the speed scroll function here in order to select faster. As you can see, we are in 2031. It is going to be January the 10th. And if I press the mode button once again, here I can select the ketone and the light function. That is not something that we need to talk about right now. And then the process is going to start once again. If I want to end the process, once again, just as when I did the hand alignment, I'm going to press the adjust button. Now, if you go on Google and search January the 10th, 2031, you are going to see that that is going to be a Friday. So now we know that everything is correctly aligned. So the watch hands of the analog display are going to perfectly match the digital display. In case you want for the date to be displayed, as you can see, you can press the start button and Casio is going to display the date. You cannot see the digital time and the date in digital at the same time, so you need to choose between the two. Usually you are going to prefer the digital time to be shown, and also the analog time should be matching the digital time. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. In case you want to learn how to use all the functions and features of your Casio, I'm going to have a full guide on the YouTube channel, link in the description box below. If you want to learn how to use all the functions and features of the Casio, I'm going to have a full guide on the YouTube channel, link in the description box below. So definitely make sure to check it out because you have a bunch of features on this one. So it is really cool to know them. In case you found value from this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow, and also the YouTube algorithm is going to love it. In case you enjoy vintage watches, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com. Once again, link in the description box below, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your watch. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.